This video is designed to take you through the sine rule. Now, we use the sine rule if we've got three knowns and one unknowns in this form. Say we've got a triangle. We have side A, angle A is opposite. Side B, angle B is opposite. Side C, angle C is opposite. The angles are all uppercase, the sides are all lowercase. And the sine rule is this. Oops. No, that's right. A over sine of A. Oops. Sorry. A over sine of A equals B over sine of capital B. And that is equal to C over sine of capital C. So basically, we only ever use two of these terms. So, and we're doing it if we want to find, if we've got an unknown that we don't, and of course we have an unknown we don't know. We use that if we have three knowns. So we may know two side lengths and an angle, or we may know two angles and a side length. And then we just substitute and work stuff out. So for the question in the pretest, we had 12, we had an angle of 31, we had an angle of 57, and we had a side length here of x. So that's what we're trying to solve. We're trying to solve for a side length. So what we do is we write a formula. A over sine A equals B over sine of B. And then we substitute. So now instead of A, we're going to write 12. So I'm going to say 12 over sine, and opposite 12 is 31 degrees, equals, now instead of B, we're going to write x over sine of 57 degrees. So then we work that out. So we do over here in the calculator, where is it? So I'm going to do 12 divided by 31 sine, and I'll press enter, and it's going to tell me it's 23. 23.3, and I'm going to say that equals x over sine of 57. So I'm going to say 57 sine, and that is 0.84. So now from there, I'm going to imply that x equals 0.84 times 23.3, and I end up with times 23.3. I end up with 19.5. 19.5 as my value of x. So that's how you use the sine rule. If it was an angle, well, we'd have to do some inverse stuff. So just to recap, it is side length, opposite angle, same letter, different case. So that's what we're seeing there. And then what we do is we use, if we have three knowns and one unknown, where we've got two angles and two side lengths is what we're interested in. And then we substitute it. So we write out A over sine A, B over sine B, and then we substitute. Lengths go on top, angles go at the bottom. And then from there, we work out, we simplify, and we solve. And like I said, if we didn't know an angle, if we had a length here and we didn't know an angle, what we do is we'd put in x or theta or something there, and we'd solve for that using inverse sine at the end. But that's all that the sine rule is.